this video we discussed about the text and styling the text, and we also discussed about the image asset. Now in this video we'll see how we can change the icon of our app. So first of all, you have to go to this website, pub.dev, type pub.dev. So type app icon here, app icon. So you have to go to Flutter launcher icons. Now scroll down here, you have to come here, copy this and go to your IDE and open the pub.spec.yaml file. Open. Now come here under the dev dependency Flutter test, paste the code here. Okay, get the package. Now copy this. Also you have to paste this one here. Now get the package. Now you can see the path here. We have to save the icon under asset icon folder. Now go to your project where you have saved your project. Let me find it, where it is came from. Desktop Flutter, desktop Flutter. I think this was the folder I am working in. And now create a folder in the root directory with the name of assets. Let me check assets. Okay, assets, and in asset we have to create the icon folder, and then now you have to paste the image in this icon folder. Where is my image? This image I want to use. Paste here, change the name to icon. Okay, that's it. Now what you have to do, go to website and you have to get the package, Flutter pub get package. Go to terminal. How is the terminal? Where is now? Get package. Okay, and now you got the package. Run the last command. Okay, I have run the last command. Now please quickly compile this one. Added a new launcher icon. Okay, let's check our app. Run the code and we will see the application with the new launcher icon. Let's wait for a while. Now you see the app is launched. We will see by going back how it looks. Now you can see the new icon we have changed. The default logo was this. Hope you enjoyed this lecture, very short lecture. Subscribe my channel for more entertaining and amazing coding video. Thank you very much.